Hey guys, welcome to Sushma Rao Kothuri's channel. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, that's how to reduce the belly fat. No, how to reduce the belly fat. I am totally against of taking any supplements for weight loss or any supplement for any other issues, because Mother Nature has given lot of to us, a lot of ingredients, natural ingredients to us. We just need to use them in a right way. Recently I have met one of my friends who was telling about that she was attending a lot of functions and marriages these days, and she was out of track on her diet, and resulted to she has deposited a lot of fat around her waist, and she was worried that she has to do a lot of workout to get rid of that. And I happened to explain her that physical activity is very important for everybody, whether it is going to gym, going for walk, jogging, or joining any yoga classes. So physical activity is must for everybody, provided that you do not have any medical condition. And also I have shared two recipes with her to reduce the belly fat. One is in the form of drink and another one is in the form of tea. So let's start the first recipe of the day. For this recipe we require 4 ingredients: cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, half lemon, approximately 1.5 inch ginger root, and the honey 1 teaspoon. Let's talk about the benefits of these ingredients. First one, cumin seeds. It improves the digestive system. It reduces the bloating and acidity. It boosts the immunity. It has the anti-aging properties, and it also very good for the anemic patients. And most importantly, it reduces the belly fat. Next ingredient is ginger root. It actually increases the metabolic rate in our body, and it also very helpful for reduce the belly fat. The third ingredient is the lemon. This guy has lot of vitamin C in this that everybody knows. It also flushes out all the toxins from our body, and it also helps to reduce the belly fat. The last ingredient is honey. It has lot of antioxidants and vitamins. It has the quality to boost immunity or energy so quickly. Whenever you feel dull or restless, just grab a 1 glass of lukewarm water and put 1 teaspoon of honey in it and drink it. You'll immediately recharge. So next time onwards, don't go for cold drinks and some other drinks. Always go for this healthy drink. Okay, let's see how to prepare the drink to reduce the belly fat. First, we have to take 1 glass of water. In that, we have to put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and grated ginger, which we have taken 1.5 inch of ginger root. That ginger we have to grate, and we have to put in the water, and we have to boil that water for at least 5 minutes. And we will prepare that particular water like this. We have to filter that and put it in a glass, and then we have to take the honey, 1 tablespoon, and mix it well. And then we have to take the lemon, remove the seeds, and we have to just add a lot of lemon juice. Too good. Okay, this drink will not increase your body temperature because it has cumin seeds, which has the cooling properties, and you can consume in summers as well. Do you know the spices raise the metabolism rate? What is the second recipe? Second recipe is in the form of tea. I call it as a masala tea. So let's see what are the ingredients for masala tea. Okay, the first ingredient is cardamom. You have to take 10 to 15 cardamoms. And the second one is the cinnamon. The 2 small cinnamon sticks are enough. And the third one is the 2 teaspoon of ginger powder. It is available in the market. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. It is also available in the market. And the honey and the fennel seeds, maybe 3 to 4 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and the cloves, 10 to 15. Finally, the lemon. Lemon and honey are the universal ingredients for weight loss. Okay, let's discuss about the benefits of these ingredients. I have already discussed about the lemon, ginger and the honey, and whatever is left is fennel seed. Fennel seed is very good for blood pressure, reducing the high blood pressure, and it's good for asthma, it's good for indigestion, bloating issues, and it also helps in digestive system. So this is very good for reducing the belly. Next one is the cardamom. Cardamom is good for improving the digestive system. It has anti-cancer properties. It is very good for lower the blood pressure, and everybody knows that it reduces the bad breath issues. So we have cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks has a lot of antioxidants. It boosts the metabolism rate. It also helps to improve the insulin function. It lowers the blood pressure. What not? Black pepper. Black pepper is actually a very healthy fat and very rich in dietary fiber. It also helps to promote the weight loss. Finally, cloves. Cloves actually resolves the digestive issues. It also increases the metabolism rate in our body, and which also promotes the weight loss. Okay, let's prepare the masala tea powder. First we have to take the small little empty bowl. In that I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and whatever the dry ingredients are there, like cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. So I'm going to put everything in one small ball, and we have to do some dry roast for just 1 minute, and we have to grind it finely. So finally we get the powder like this, and we have to store this in some container and store it for future use. So how to prepare the tea? Take 1 glass of water and just 1/4 of teaspoon, this much of quantity. Do not take much of this quantity, because there is a limitation to use this powder. For 1 glass of water, just 1/4 of teaspoon of this powder we have to take, and we have to boil it. So finally I'm going to add some lemon juice in this according to my taste, and then I'm gonna use the honey, 1 teaspoon. This is also according to taste. Okay, just mix it well. So my masala tea is ready. When we have to drink this tea, we have to drink this tea before going to bed. This big cup of tea we have to drink, so that our metabolism rate will increase during our sleep time. So good. So delicious. One important point for this masala tea is, whenever you start having this tea, you have to drink a lot of water in entire day, because it has all the spices and it will increase the temperature of your body or heatness in your body. So you have to keep your body hydrated all the time. Believe me, this is the miracle tea, and I have personally used on myself, tested on myself both the recipes, and I found lot of results. And one more important point, nothing will happen in just 1 or 2 days. You have to make it as practice. You have to follow for certain duration, then only you will see the results. There is a saying that there is no pain, there is no gain. So we have to be little extra patient, and we have to put little extra effort to reach our goal. And our goal is to reduce the belly fat. Finally, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the ring bell button. So for now, I am saying bye bye.